Hi, my name is Varisha, and today I'm going to tell you how you can remove a tag off of a lead or a consumer in your Score CEO portal. So, once you have logged into your Score CEO portal, this is the screen you will be seeing of the dashboard. From here, we're going to go to the leads and consumers area and click on that. Once we're in the leads and consumers area, we are going to search for the lead that we want to remove the tag from in the quick search. And once the lead has been searched, you're simply going to click on the name of the lead. From here, we're going to go to the tags tab over here and click on that. It will show you the list of tags that have been associated with the lead. In order to delete any tag, you can simply click on the cross next to the tag that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete towing promo. I'm going to click on this cross and it will be deleted. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel.